To draw a perfume bottle real easy, you're going to need a pencil, a pen and an eraser, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. We're going to start by drawing a circle, and then we'll cut the bottom off, just a little section off the bottom like that, and make that horizontal, so that's the bottom of the bottle flat on the table. And then we're going to want the neck of the bottle, so this is kind of the silver bit which goes over the sort of the glass screwy bit on the top. And then we're going to want a nice big wide bottle top kind of thing like that on the top. Now the glass is quite thick usually in a perfume bottle. The thicker the glass, the less perfume they have to put inside it. So we'll draw the thickness of the glass, something like that, and we'll see that's the kind of surface of the liquid there. So let's draw this lid. This is the kind of the handle, the bit that you get your hand on to turn the knob, the cap, should I say, the lid, or whatever it's called. And then we go all the way around, flatten out at the bottom, all the way around, and then flatten out at the bottom. And then here we want to kind of follow this line around here, but quite curvy around there and come all the way up. The strange thing happens with the liquid at the top, you get this kind of curve up at the top like that. And we can put a little highlight there. And maybe across there as well, and down there. And then here we're going to put kind of dark shadow piece right into the glass. And maybe another bit like that there too. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines. That way nobody knows how you constructed it. And I'm going to draw a kind of a little block there and fill that in, and then draw these lines which just get a little bit closer to each other like that. And here we can do the same, getting closer and closer, and they're getting further and further apart. So that's sort of shadow underneath the cap part there. And then we can do something like that, just to put a little bit of shadow down below, just to make it look a little bit fancy and designery. There you go, how to draw a perfume bottle real easy. And I think I'm just going to draw this little bit across the top there as well. And there you go, how to draw a perfume bottle real easy. You can put your name across the front there if you like. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back every week for lots more drawing videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.